By investing through Dominica's Citizenship by Investment program, you gain access to premium assets and stable capital growth, while also contributing to national development projects and strengthening the country's economic independence. Anichi Resort and Spa is part of the prestigious Autograph Collection by Marriott International. The resort has been approved by the Government of Dominica for participation in the Citizenship by Investment program. The minimum investment required is from $220,000 US. The second citizenship process typically takes between 3 and 4 months. Dominica Citizenship offers visa-free access to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax environment, and entry into the Caribbean market. The status of citizenship is lifelong and can be passed on to future generations. Don't miss the chance to invest in a world-class project. Contact us today.